Hello friends, you are welcome to Vaishali's garden. Today we will prepare a easy miniature garden. So in this pot I have taken various plants which are going to give it a bushy look. So I have selected this small container which is approximately 3 by 4 inches in size, and we have to be sure that it is having the drainage holes for proper passage of water, as well as the soil won't run away with water. In addition to that, these drainage holes should be properly covered either with the small pieces of earthen pots, or you can use ceramic pieces also. We will cover it with a bit of soil. Then we have to add lesser soil so that there will be proper space for planting the different plants. Yes, so we are ready with the container now. So I haven't purchased any plants from outside. I got a bit of plants, like 8 plants I have collected from a garden itself. So I got these baby plants from Spider. So these are the two spider plants I have taken. Then we have to be sure that their sizes are same. So I got this artificial, or you can say the decorative weed grass. That I got along with from the nursery plants itself. So it was carried with the nursery plants. So I am having these China rose plants, the small pieces I have taken. Then these are the triangle hanging basket plants. So again I have taken the baby plants from the container. And this one is kalanchoe. It is a kind of succulent. It gives beautiful dark red color flowers. Then I got one cactus. So I got that from the big cactus plant. I've taken one piece. Then I'm having this again, a kind of succulent. And luckily I got these two baby adeniums. So I thought these are going to complete the look of the miniature garden. So I got these two. So let's start. So we have to put up these 8 plants now. So first of all, we are going to divide the container in different sections. So I have thought to cover it into 3 sections. The front one and the middle one I am going to leave blank, and in the back I am going to prepare 2 sections. So first we will start with these big plants, the adenium one. So I am trying to put them in the back side so that it is going to give the look like the coconut trees or palm trees. So with the help of some soil, now I am going to fix them here. And I'm going to add less soil so that the container doesn't get filled initially, because we have to put up so many roots inside, so that they will be properly getting hold. They will get good hold on the soil. Now I am placing these two succulents here on the other side of the container. So I'm adding a bit of soil to get it fixed. Now this back side is over. In the front, in or around the middle, I am placing this cactus here. Yes, so this is done. Now we have to look for the front area, and for that purpose now I am going to arrange these different colored plants which I have taken. So this is having a very bright yellow and light green color. So this I am going to start with. So I am taking out the lower leaves so that I will have the more area of the stem and roots to plant properly inside the soil, and so that the plant won't die. So these I am placing first of all in the front area, so that we will have some green colored bushes here. And this dark light combination is going to give us the shades of various color, and those shades will pop against the yellow and the dark background. So that is going to give a beautiful look. Generally we select shrubs or dwarf trees, and we have to prepare a green bed for this purpose when we prepare a miniature garden. So for this green bed I've got these decorative grass also. So I am putting all that in the front area so that we will have the garden bed look here. And those trees, or the dwarf trees look is provided by this adeniums. So this is all done, and I am fixing the soil so that the roots are properly covered and those baby plants won't die up. So this is all done now. One is left now, that is the kalanchoe. So this is going to be placed now in the in this side, so that if it flowers soon, we will have some shades also in this miniature garden. So it is going to bloom with very beautiful red flowers. Now the remaining soil we will add in the container and we will cover it properly. We will fix up all the plants. So it is all done. I have placed some ceramic pieces inside it. You can place any beautiful idol of God or any fairy tale statues. It's up to you, and it's now your garden. You can decorate it as per your wish. I have placed this small baby elephant here. Hope you enjoyed the video and thank you for watching. If you have liked it, don't forget to subscribe and share. Thank you so much.